Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Microsoft Outlook error out of memory or system resources. So in order for you to fix this issue, just simply go to the bottom and right click on the start menu and go for the task manager, and from here just simply go for the details, and here on the details guys, just simply try to find the office click to run over here, and after that right click on it and go for the set priority and make it into high, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. Now another option that you have guys is just simply go to the start menu again and search for uninstall, and from here you should be able to see add or remove programs, and after that just simply search this list and search for Outlook, and just simply select the application and go for advanced options, and just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here reset. So just simply select reset, and if it doesn't work just simply go for the repair over here and it should repair the app. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.